We're alive. 1971 Plymouth Satellite. Let's get it.
It doesn't start.
All right. It's cute. Character.
Over here we got us a glitter unicorn sticker.
That's
Vintage.
right.
From the 80s. It's probably worth a lot.
Oh, there we go. Now. All right, round two.
Oh, buddy. Round three.
Round three.
Will she go?
Will she go? No.
No, she won't.
It's gonna start.
You're gonna do it. Forget I said that.
6.
6. Try number 367.
Here we go.
I have no words.
Round 11.
I have no words. Hey guys, and welcome to the April vlog. So today is Wednesday and Jordan and I are actually on our way to go get him tattooed right now. So I get to bring you guys along with us today and you guys get to see a little bit of action. So let's get to it.
Shit. You starting already? Fuck.
I don't know.
So I'm really nervous.
I know.
This shit about to hurt.
I know.
On the side, yo. Side. Oh.
Just sure.
Excited.
He's not nervous anymore. So I'm pretty much just getting ready right now to head out to Fitness 19. Hopefully a lower body workout and some cycling just for some cardio. But I probably won't take you with me into the gym because that's a bit extra. But I just want to keep you guys updated. Here we go. So as you can probably tell, I just finished my workout. I met up with my sister at the gym. Pretty much got in a double workout, but now I'm just gonna head home. I'm just trying to stay focused on my work and stay consistent with my content. I look so sweaty, but I feel good from the gym, so that's a win. 2 tablespoons, right? A little bit more. Yeah, okay. Oh, 5. Okay. Anybody? You are child. Mama, I said you're gonna be in my vlog.
Oh, okay.
You
cool.
too. Everybody's in the vlog. Twerks. What's that? The Tina? Is that
Oh, the Tina? How does she do it?
Yeah. So right now Jordan and I have just kind of driven out to a random patch of land and we're gonna have like a mini photo shoot. We're just gonna use my classic car for a photo shoot and have a little bit of fun. It's fun having your own personal shooter. Pour soy sauce. Oh yeah. Yeah, get it wet. I made the tomatoes. I cut them. I contributed. I said, just give me the rice.
Alright, bro.
Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. I'm about to make some coffee and get my day started. And I'll probably go for a later workout at the gym today. We usually go at like 7 in the morning, but we're just not feeling it today. So caffeinated. Let's get started.
Hey guys, so I'm currently taking a little snack break. I've been working on my tutorial all morning and I figured I'd stop in for a little snack break. Cuties are the best. Mowgli likes them too. Mowgli, do you want a snack? Here he comes. Oops. All right, sit. Are you a good boy? Do you deserve this snack? Leave it. Stay. I know. Stay. Okay. Come here, right here. Good boy. But anyways, this is what I have so far with my shorts. They're getting there. Kind of looks like a really short mini skirt right now, but I promise it will come together in the end. So let's hope I'm making it wide enough for my hips. Don't look. Oh, they're so cute. Look. Mm-hmm. I don't know how they're going to turn out. Look, and they're covered just enough. I'm excited. Hello. So today is Thursday and I officially finished working on my crochet shorts. It's not going to stay up. So right now Jordan and I are on our way to film the product shots of my shorts. So I think we're gonna go back to this grass field that we were in a couple weeks ago. Here he comes. Love it.
Good.
Does the sun feel good? Oh, little baby.
So pretty.
Hi, silly. Aware of your surroundings. Oh. Yeah?
At least this one's
Hey, yay, 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 yay,
Why not me being back? Well, sir.
Lemon bar.
Boys.
They don't have any purple carnations.
Whoa.
Some onions.
Some onions.
Some onions. We're making shumai.
Second. Holy shit. You two,
Get into the center. Yeah. We need you to really work at the core of this. To answer your question, no.
It's looking really good. It smells really
the lies.
Wait, let me get a tutorial.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you're gonna grab your wrapper. I kind of just bring all four to the top.
So this is your second time making shumai?
Yeah.
Hello and good afternoon. Finally Saturday, which means we have Jordan's art show tonight. And for tonight, I thought it would be kind of fun to crochet a little mini purse. So I'm just gonna finish up stitching together the purse. Hello guys and good morning. How are you all doing today? So I'm back now after not filming for about like 4 or 5 days, but we are finally back in town and today is Friday and it's about time that I head back to the gym and get back on a regular workout routine. A little channel update. Eventually I want to get to a point where I'm uploading about twice a week, and it sounds like a lot. I want to start putting out more content, and I want to be able to post tutorials that aren't just, you know, the overhead shot DIYs. As much as you guys might enjoy them, for me, I don't want it to get old too fast. And those type of tutorials also take a lot of work and a lot of editing. So it'd be nice to start doing some more of those sit-down tutorials. Anyways, I'm gonna head up to the gym right now. Maybe I can try to show you guys a little bit of what I do. Is that gonna be weird for people to see me filming? I didn't really want to record my entire workout lifting weights and having other random people around, but I did get a little bit of me cycling.
Can you guys see me okay? Wow, I look rough today. Well, as you can probably tell, it is a new day. Today is Saturday. So like I mentioned yesterday, I actually started filming a new halter top, crop top tutorial. I have 2 days to film the entire tutorial, you know, under the camera. And also in those 2 days time, I have to edit everything. So this is probably the shortest amount of time that I've ever given myself to put together an entire tutorial. So yeah, I started working on this halter top last night and filmed a good portion of it. I'm sitting on the couch and I'm looking at it as I'm working. It's starting to dawn on me that it is way too large. Sometimes when it comes to crochet projects, just kind of winging it works out in your favor. The other 50% of the time, doing math and calculating out stitches and the right size, pretty important. I had to rip out the entire thing all the way back to my starting chain. This is called the Alpine Stitch, I believe. About a week ago, I filmed a yarn haul on my channel. So if you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it somewhere here. I will see you guys in a little bit.